If your prints have ripples after corners or repeating shadows of sharp edges, that's not a slicer problem. That's mechanical vibration. In this video, you'll learn exactly what causes ringing and ghosting and how to eliminate them systematically, not by guessing. Ringing and ghosting are signs of dynamic instability in your printer. Once you understand the physics, fixing them becomes straightforward. Let's break it down. What ringing and ghosting actually are. Ringing, also called ghosting, is repeated vibration patterns that appear after sharp changes in direction. It looks like waves, echoes, shadow edges. This happens because the printer structure vibrates, and that vibration gets recorded into plastic. Your printer is acting like a mechanical oscillator. The physics behind ringing. When motion changes suddenly, mass wants to keep moving, belts stretch, frame flexes. This creates oscillation. The printer does not instantly stop or change direction. It overshoots, then corrects. That oscillation shows up as surface artifacts. This is pure mechanical dynamics. Primary causes of ringing. The main contributors are high acceleration, high jerk or junction deviation, loose belts, flexible frame, heavy toolhead. This is a system-level problem, not a single setting. Mechanical inspection checklist. Before touching slicer settings, verify frame rigidity, all screws tight, no wobble, belt tension, firm but not guitar tight, no slack, pulley alignment, grub screws tight, flat spot engaged, linear motion, smooth travel, no binding. If mechanics are wrong, software tuning only hides the symptoms. Acceleration tuning. Acceleration controls how fast velocity changes. High acceleration equals sharp force spikes equals more vibration. Lower acceleration reduces ringing, improves surface finish, slightly increases print time. Typical safe ranges: 500 to 1500 millimeters per second squared for bed slingers, 2000 to 5000 millimeters per second squared for rigid Core XY. Start low, increase gradually. Jerk or junction deviation. Jerk defines how abruptly direction changes occur. High jerk equals faster cornering equals more vibration. Lower jerk equals smoother transitions equals cleaner surfaces. This is the most powerful ringing control parameter. Small changes, big effects. Print speed interaction. Higher speed increases inertia, force, resonance. If acceleration is not tuned, increasing speed multiplies ringing. Speed tuning comes after motion tuning. Test methodology. Use ringing test towers, sharp corner cubes. Change only acceleration, jerk, one variable at a time. Look for amplitude reduction, faster vibration decay. Engineering principle. Control the oscillation, don't hide it. Structural upgrades that actually work. Real improvements come from dual Z-axis, metal frame bracing, linear rails, lighter tool heads. These raise the system's natural frequency and reduce resonance. Common mistakes. Lowering speed instead of fixing acceleration, ignoring belt tension, over-tightening belts, chasing slicer profiles. Ringing is mechanical first, software second. Once ringing is eliminated, your printer is mechanically stable. For more videos on how to improve the performance of your 3D printer, please like and subscribe to our channel, Clone Print Lab.